We are experiencing the fallout of the big snowstorm. What's today, the 16th, I think? 2010. Oh, no, that's a guess. I think yesterday was the 15th, so it should be the 16th. Nevertheless, we haven't snow. It's about, what, 2 weeks before Christmas? Dog's excited. Very chilly. Not very exciting, though, just to look at that. Although it is very beautiful out here. The barn. Come on, dog, stay with me. Wow, it's so bright out here. Look at that. Oh, there's a little house. All covered in snow. Man, I think I shoveled this by hand not so long ago. Thankfully, I now have a snowblower, though. I don't have to worry about it. Katie's little gazebo, also capped. Dog dig for stuff she shouldn't have. Oh, here she comes. What do you see over there, dog? Oh, I am going to stay on the walk. Aww. Friday's excited by the snow. I think she wants to go back in. There's Betsy's satellite dish. I think she's still getting reception now. There's the pond. I've been told not to call it a lake because it's not a lake. There's the back fields. Everything's covered in snow. Don't think I've seen this much snow before Christmas in a long time. There's back in front of the house, depending upon how you look at it. And all the fruit trees. Shut down for the winter. My dog's exploring some more. Well, this used to be the dog barn. Friday thinks it's a dog barn. And here's the big barn. Nice and chilly. I can't even see the driveway. I tried to put ice down on this a couple days ago, but yeah, didn't really do much with this snow. The side of Grandpa's house. Where you going, dog? Fridays. Oh. Now we've walked all the way around the property. Well, at least around the house to see where the county stopped plowing. Looks like they did come in the road. Wow. You know how much snow we've got. A few inches easily. At least they didn't push it up right in front of our driveway. They did go off to the side. Yeah. There's a poor little bird there. Off he goes. Here's where the dogs are yapping constantly. Alrighty. And then the fence. There's our dog that does not yap. Oh, Lord. Again, thank goodness I got a snowblower. Well, Grandpa's house covered in snow. Whew. You know, it's chilly, but it's not freezing. That's nice. Oh, there's a pretty scene. There's where Mike lives. Yep. Winter Wonderland. With a dog named Friday. Katie's car is all covered in snow. Ooh. Ooh, just to look in the small trees. Reminds me of my grandmother's. Her little patch of trees out behind her house. Alrighty. And then there's the old barn. The dog running behind it. Bye-bye, dog. And that was the big snow dump of Ot 10. Oh, so pretty.